This is a video documentation concerning a letter that I submitted to the New York State Commission on Prosecutor Conduct, submitted April 29th, 2026, Albany, New York. And it reads as formal complaint of prosecutor misconduct, failure to act, retaliation, Westchester County District Attorney's Office. Dear Commissioners, I am submitting this complaint to formally request an investigation into the continuing pattern of prosecutor misconduct, failure to act, and retaliation involving the Westchester County District Attorney's Office. This complaint arises from my formal reporting of elder abuse, estate fraud, theft, and misdirection of New York State local retirement system death benefits belonging to my mother, Lucille Kelly, and her lawful beneficiaries. Unlawful interference with and theft of my mother's estate, including her home, and obstruction and retaliation after my efforts to report and document these matters. The retaliation is ongoing, and I'm going to go into that in different videos. Notably, I submitted a complaint to the New York State Attorney General's Office, Consumer Fraud Division, elder abuse. That complaint was assigned formal investigation reference number 25053-096. The matter was referred to the New York State Comptroller's Office. Despite this documented referral and the seriousness of the estate benefit and elder abuse issues, the District Attorney's Office failed to pursue appropriate charges or take meaningful investigative action. The death of my mother's estate and her death benefits included public officials in the city of Peekskill, I believe to be Mr. John Testa, former county legislator and former Mayor of Peekskill, Mr. Frank Catalina, and Mr. William Florence, former corporation counsel. Notably, let me go back. Failure to act. The only action taken was contact from an investigator, Smith, who did not properly review the documentation and instead repeated prior conclusions. She never reviewed my paperwork, which I had available on hand, prepared to bring into the office. I was also informed that I could not file a police report regarding misconduct, retaliation, and death threats. This effectively blocked my ability to create a criminal complaint record and seek review through ordinary law enforcement channels. Critically, there were no letters of administration and no probate authority in place for the handling of estate assets. Any handling, transfer, or release of estate-related property or benefit without lawful authority is legally defective and subject to challenge. Dismissing authority is central to the complaint and should have triggered further inquiry rather than dismissal or inaction.